Now let us solve some extract based questions. The first activity over here is to state whether the following statements are true or false. Now how do we know whether a statement is true or false? Based on the lines that are already given in the poem. The first sentence here is, sages say that life is a dark dream. Now in the very first two lines that the poetess gives us over here are that life, believe, is not a dream so dark as the sages say. So the sages, that means the wise people or the wise men, say that yes, life is a dark dream. So the answer over here is true. Now the next statement. The rain often foretells a pleasant day. Now in this particular line, the poetess tells us, oft a little morning rain foretells, that means predicts, a pleasant day. So yes, we know that the given statement is true. Now moving ahead to the next one. We should not enjoy the joyful times in our life. Now in these particular lines, the poetess tells us, rapidly and merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully and cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. So the poetess over here tells us to enjoy them. So we know that the given statement is false. Now moving ahead to the next one. Our best refers to our loved ones. Now in this particular line where the poetess says, what though death at times steps in and calls our best away. So calls our best away, that means calls our loved ones away. So therefore the given statement is true. Now moving ahead to the next question. Why does the poetess say that the wings of hope are golden? Now this is where she calls the wings of hope as golden. She says, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well, still strong to bear us, the day of trial bear. Now in this particular line, of course we know that the poet is calling the hope that we have in our heart very bright. We need to have a hope that is very bright, that means a positive expectation that our future will be better. And then we have to keep moving ahead with bravery and courage in our heart. So using these points, we'll write our answer. We'll write and say that the poetess says that the wings of hope are golden because they give us bright hope to face our future bravely and fearlessly. Now moving ahead. Explain the metaphor in the following line. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Now in this particular line, we know that a metaphor is used, that means an indirect comparison. The morning rain is compared to the darkness, the gloomy days, the sad days in our life, whereas the pleasant day symbolizes the happiness, the joy in our life.